Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today for the 2012 Toyota Kluger, stock number 6526. It's run from the 5th 2007 and the 2nd 2014. Has a 2GR FE 3.5 with a V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2GR FE 3.5 with a V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door curb, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,